course you're going to experience problems because as soon as there's duality in the mind of any kind, any kind, the ego is using that to, it doesn't matter what the issue is. If you have like the wind is blowing to the left or to the right, you see how insignificant that is? But it's causing a rift in the mind, and you feel uncertain, and you feel the emotion of you're not happy. Basically, you will not be happy. If you want to be happy, you have to move like in one direction. You see this bridge? It's not a bridge. It's basically the bridge to the whole like Palawan area over there. This is the longest bridge over there. From here, like you start walking one path. Now you have to choose which path you want to go. Like, because there's no other path. Look. It's like, do you want to go swim in the ocean?
There's literally no other path. But you are the path for me.
Great. So just keep walking.
Okay. Is that not
and
correct?
You will reach the shore.
Okay.
You see where the shore is over there?
Yeah.
The divers resort.
Mm-hmm.
You just need to get there.
Yeah.
That's how simple life is.
That's the answer I'm getting. Literally, just follow you. Just follow you. You're following Jesus. I'm behind you.
Baby, I'm not following Jesus.
Okay.
I'm following the Master Self.
But an advancement is behind Jesus.
No.
It's not. Okay, can you explain this to me?
Baby, it's like Jesus is my friend.
Right.
Like your friend is like, I'm going to go meet him on shore. Let's go have a drink.
Okay.
If you don't show up, I'm going to be fine. Because I have the Master Self.
Okay.
Is that understood?
Yes. I want to know the Master
I
Self.
can go without Jesus.
Okay.
Is that understood?
Yes.
Jesus is my friend. Like Buddha is, like all the great masters are. I can call them up if I want to, but I don't need them.
Okay.
Because I have Master Self. Who's going to
guide.
The original, which took all of them to God, to the truth.
Okay.
Without Master Self, I don't think any one of them, I know, they will have no chance of conquering their mind. Is that understood?
Yes.
Master Self is it.
Okay.
The bridge, the reality. And it lives inside of you, it lives inside of everyone else if they only want it. That's how simple it is. So all of the personalities they have lived, that are living, sure, you can go and contact them.
I understand.
But they're not necessary.
Yeah.
And they've been telling you that we are not necessary.
No, I think I'm just accepting it or something.
You can do it by yourself with the Master inside of you.
Yeah.
Because that's what they've been teaching you the whole time. I'm not teaching this. They've been teaching you that. There's a power inside of you. Haven't they been teaching you that?
Yeah, but they call it themselves. Well, not really, but
Tao Te Ching, Buddhism, Christianism. They all pointed towards the inner.
Like, honestly, I really have found it. It's just a matter of, like, holding on to it.
Application?
Yeah. I I feel like I'm going slow, or I'm not.
You're doing wonderful.